Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how to get API keys in ElevenLabs. So let's just jump into it. So first thing first, you will need to get to your profile in ElevenLabs. After you are logged in, you will go here at the left bottom side where it says developers. Click on that and it will pop up a new page where you will see developers, and the second window here you will see API keys. Click on that. Now to create API keys you will then press this button here, create key. It will on the right side it will open up that kind of pop-up window. You will name your API key, then set up your what you want that this API key has access to, or that doesn't have, that can read, write, and that kind of stuff. And after that, you will create API key. But you need to know that API key is payable, so you have here in this small button you have some directions how much you need to pay a month or a year to have these API keys. So I hope this video helped you out how to create API keys and how much is uh, this a month. So if you found this video helpful, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.